Quick reading for January the 1st to January the 2nd, Leo. So, first of all, Happy New Year. The full card, the Six of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Kung meron man ditong mga nagkaroon ng separation or challenges, it felt like siguro dadaanin nito sa biro, no? Na, uy, magbati na tayo, New Year na, kalimutan na natin yung mga nakaraan, no? Or meron din dito magka-confess ng kanyang emotion through, it could be a joke, no? Or it could be yung mga parinig or post, pero wala man tagging, mararamdaman mo na alam kong para sa akin yon, no? There's a specific emotion or details na pwede mong ituro na ako yung tinutukoy, no? One thing's for sure with the Seven of Wands, kung hindi ka pa ready na patawarin itong person na ito, it felt like gagawa siya ng way with the Seven of Wands, no? Strategic enough para sabihin nating makapasok siyang muli sa buhay mo. So this is your quick reading, Leo, for January the 1st to January the 2nd.
Predicting future is my purpose.